All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name's Chakits. Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I also service the city of Henderson and North Las Vegas too as well. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas in a master plan community called Summerlin. And the name of this neighborhood is actually Sun City Summerlin. This is age restricted. I know I don't really get too many views on the age restricted. However, you gotta see the remodel on this home. I'm so excited to show you guys this home right here. So the home has been completely remodeled, right? Now, the price on here, should I just tell you the price now or should I wait till the end? You know what? I'm just gonna tell you the price now. The price on here is $1,175,000. The square footage on here is 2,693 square feet, 3 bedrooms, total of 3 baths. As you can see, this community is a golf course community. It is not gated, okay? Now wait till you see this. Let me just take you guys right in here. This thing is gorgeous. Unbelievable views. The home is facing east, so your sun exposure is going to be on here in the backside. Take a look at this. Now I caught this perfect timing as the sun's going to set here at 4:30. Look at all the mountain views and take a look on this side here. This thing is gorgeous. Right off the golf course. That's right. Unbelievable. I'm just going to take it straight back here. Reason why I want to do this is because I really want to just really show you. Just take a moment of silence here. Sun is setting right there on the west side. Now you can't tell me how gorgeous that view was, right? Now, look. If this is my last house, I'm going out with a body bag. This is where I'm staying, right here. All right. So the lot size on here, 7,841 square feet. Oh, guys, such a dumbass. I gave you the wrong information. Oop, redo. The square footage on this home is 2,934 square feet. Has a total of 3 bedrooms. The base, why am I saying the base house? It's a resale home. Looks brand new. $1,250,000. $1,250,000 for this home. Now I'm gonna go back. The lot size is 8,276 square feet. I do apologize, folks. We've been doing a bunch of video tours today, and everything's starting to catch up to me. However, this is just so gorgeous. I love how they did the mirrors here. And I think the reason why they did this is a couple things. It makes the room appear a lot bigger. I mean, it's already a big room. But I mean, as soon as you walk into this, I mean, this is just gorgeous. Gives you that grand feeling. Unbelievable. Now let's go into the kitchen area and the living. So you have some nice stonework here on the fireplace. It's cladded all the way to the top here. Orange peel texture. And it looks like we have some luxury vinyl flooring, which is really nice. You have the white shaker cabinet on this one. So these are just kind of like they double stacked on this one right here. But it's not your true 1.5 inch, okay? But that's normal. And I love the fact that you got some cabinets up here in the front too as well. Great design. Oh, let's take a look at this. Love this backsplash here. It's very beveled. And you got the wine rack. Put your nice wine glasses here. Let's see. Full dovetail, soft closing cabinets. Did a really good job. Undermounted sink. Nice gooseneck here. G appliances. And you got the Thor cooktop, which is all completely brand new. Wow, look at that hood. Wow, I didn't even see this skylight. The skylight looks like it's needs to be painted, or not painted, but looks like it was painted. That definitely has to be scraped. I love this right here. I mean, look at this view. I mean, this right here is just $1 million view right here. You know what I would do? I would have a bucket of balls right here, and I would just start chipping every single day. Yeah, you don't want me living here. I'd be a tyrant. Now, this is an age-restricted community. You don't get too many age-restricted communities like this. I mean, this is just gorgeous. I love the built-in refrigerator. I love the fact that they did the cabinets like this. This is just gorgeous. Look at that with the pots. Microwave down here. Let's take a look at this. You know what? I want to go back down this hallway here. Now, they did a transition here, which is a little bit higher. I felt like maybe I would get rid of this and just do luxury laminate all the way through. Love the double tray ceiling. That's really nice. All right, let's take a look at the primary. Now, the primary is pretty cool because wait till I show you the bathroom. You got 17 by 19 or 19 by 17, whatever you want to call it. These ceilings got to be at least 12 feet high or even higher. I'm going to say 15-foot ceilings. I know it's going to be a little bit dark because the sun is going to set, so I'm going to try to hurry up on this. But take a look at the flooring here. Boom. Look at this. Gorgeous, huh? What do you do here? Look at this. You can change light on, and this will heat that up. I think that's what it is. Or is it 3 different? I'm not too sure what that is. Let me know in the comments below, because I was just making that up. I was trying to be all cool and stuff. Now with this backsplash, I probably would have went all the way up to the top to kind of give that spa-like feel. This is the aftermarket for sure. Wow, they just redid everything. They did such a great job. Love that. I love how that light just illuminates through that shrouds, I think it's called. Keep forgetting the name of that. Oh, I would definitely would like to see an LED light in that soapbox. Got the toilet. Man, they did such a great job on here. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Then you got this mirror, the door mirror. Walk-in closet. This looks like all original. Yeah, this is all the original. Sucks as it's kind of hard to paint all this, but man, this is gorgeous. I can't wait to go home and upload this. Look at this. Boom. Woo! All right, coming down this hallway. What do we have here? Oh, this is a very unique. So here's a half bath for the guests, but then this half bath is really a full bath now. It was part of the half bath. All right. Original tub, it looks like. Wow, they did a lot to this. Looks like the original doors, they painted the doors. All right, let's go this way. Okay, what do we have here? So back here is the... Oh, I mean, just look how gorgeous this is. Now, this is like a quality of life right here. Man, I gotta step up my game. So is this what, the 3rd bedroom? You got the original windows here. So this is just more of like a little suite here. Got your luxury vinyl. Love the high countertops. Tub shower combo. Color of the fixtures are a little bit different on here. The other one was the black ones, right? These are the brushed nickels. Did some upgrades on the lights, ceiling fans. Now you got some closets here. Oh, this is unique. You got your coax here and your plug here. Was this a smart panel at one point? Wonder why that was like that. Interesting. Coat closet. Old school telephone thing here. I would have got rid of this. They just painted right over that. And they have the original rocker switches. I would get rid of these two as well. Laundry room. I mean, you figure when you get older, you start to downsize, right? Like, why would you buy something this big? And typically people that are downsizing too as well, they're living on a budget, right? I believe as you get older. I mean, a payment on $1 million home, I mean, that's still pretty pricey. I mean, it's not cheap. Trust me. I live in a 1,700 square feet home. And I purchased a home. My balance is like what, $175. My payments are like $930 a month. I'm still squawking. Payment on something like this, man, it'd be like $4,000 a month. I mean, that's a pretty big nut to swallow. You know what I mean? It's crazy. I need to step up my game, folks. Like, seriously. One day. Oh man, I just want to really just take a second, just enjoy this moment. Moment of silence, please. All right, let's break that silence. I mean, this is like 180 degrees with a view. You've got mountains there. It's gorgeous. Oh, man. You know, I hope each and every one of you guys, I'm blessing you guys right now. I want you guys to live the quality life that everybody should be living, because I know times are tough. People are working hard. It's hard to even get ahead, especially with inflation. But you know what? For all my subscribers out there, all my 222 subscribers, I'm going to say this right now. I want everybody to be blessed. I'm proclaiming it right now. I'm speaking the words right now. Because you know why? We're all entitled to something like this. Now, when I say entitled, I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm saying that we all work hard. We all should live a quality life like this. There's no rhyme or reason, right? I mean, we're all on the same path. We're all trying to get there. All right, guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed. If you guys want more information about this property, click on the link in the description below. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.